So let's go. Okay, currently in Shibuya. I never come here, but I wanted to go to this cafe which is in Shibuya, so here now, and it opens at 9 and it's 9 right now, so I don't think it'll be busy, and I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna get brunch today, so bought 10 cups, so we're gonna go there. Hungry. Let's go eat. And I'm very tired, as you can probably tell from my look at my eye bags. Oh my god. Maybe. Okay, it looks like a vibe. I got a avocado toast and a hot latte as well. I love a good latte. Oh my god, I haven't had a latte in so long. This is really good. This is apple toast. Yeah. You wanna see? I am calling Tony. What did you? We got a chicken nugget. Cheers. Mashed potato. I've just gotten really sad. Like, don't go ahead and watch everything. Bye bye. Yeah, go get a smoothie. I'm gonna head home now because I have a lot to do today, even though in this rain I don't know if I want to do anything. My favorite section, cheese. Guess who walked out without purchasing anything? I'm so proud of myself. This is so summer. Okay, although I'm home, I'm gonna pop out again because I want to go vote for the election, because I think it's really important that people our age go vote, and it's really close to my house, so it'll probably take me like 5 minutes to get there, 5 minutes to fill out the forms, and then I'll be back, and I think I will grab something to eat because I'm so hungry again. Okay, feeling pretty good. Okay, since I had late brunch, I'm gonna grab I made stewed apples. I'm gonna have it with some green tea first, and then I'll have the hojicha later. But I'm just having hojicha latte.
How are you feeling this morning?
I feel a little bit better. I still feel a little bit shit. Last night it was...
Of course, I'm watching Love Island. Basically, I lost my house keys like a week ago, and I did everything. Like, I called 2 different police stations and it wasn't there, and I walked back like twice the way I came, and then I went back to the place I went to as well, and I couldn't find it, and I had my suica and my house keys. I had to order a new house key because otherwise I can't get in the house, so that was like $50 down the drain. Anyways, I just got a text from the share house people that my card holder is at the police station, so I get my suica back and my house key, which I don't really need anymore. I did lose $50, but I'm so happy that my suica's back because I'm pretty sure I had like $70 left on it, so that's a really good news. I also just got a text for a really important, exciting audition tomorrow, and I've been having a slow month of July, so that's really nice. Just having some coffee now because I'm tired. I'm feeling sleepy, so like, can you tell that I feel like my eyes just like, look at my eyelids. It's when I'm tired my eyelids like look funny, so it's a sign. I'm gonna do my Korean now. I'm trying to do like 30 minutes a day if I have time, so this one I'm gonna get up to while I drink my coffee. Dinner, and I'm now going on my after dinner walk just to help de-bloat. I do this like every day, so yeah, I just got my headphones on. I'll probably walk for like 30 minutes, but I think I'll end the vlog here since it's my day off, so I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna wash up, do my night exercises, and I wanna watch a movie. So I will watch a movie tonight, hopefully, or actually I have like 2 that I'm halfway through, so I'll finish those.